Wayne Carthaginian almost upside down, and he does go on his hood as Ron Hornaday.
There just wasn't any way.
Hornaday rolls again in turn number 1.
You said it, Michael.
We see the movement.
I'm sure NASCAR will red flag this race here.
Safety crews immediately to him.
Here comes Todd Bodine to check on Ron. Ron's fine. I feel good. I saw him moving around in there.
You saw Todd Bodine run up to the side of the 33 truck. Competitors and very good friends.
Looked like the Todd got pushed by the 95 of Grant Enfinger, and it turned him into the truck on the inside of him. And then you see Ron Hornaday going upside down.
Grant was just doing what he saw. Ooh, wow, look at that hit late by
Todd.
Grant was just doing what he'd seen everyone else do. A rookie at this. First start.
Now, watch the red truck. He's going to push Todd Bodine, and it's going to turn Todd sideways right there into the 5 of Mike Skinner. Mike gets into the 33 of Hornaday.
Just too big of a push. Look at the job that Matt Crafton does, sneaking around the outside.
And when these trucks get backwards, obviously we talked earlier about the spoiler being at 65 degrees. When they go backwards, it lifts that back into that truck of Hornaday up and onto its top it goes.
Plus, he was not only backwards, he's getting pushed by Mike Skinner, too, so I'm sure that helped. Listen to the crowd. Listen to the fans.
Yeah, Ron's fine. He's in there joking about it. He said that was a good ride. It was real smooth, he said. Then all of a sudden it got rough. Yeah, that's a shame that things like that happen. I think the 95 just gave me the shot from hell. Thought he was going to bump me somewhere, but turned me sideways and caused a big wreck. But I got to get going because my guys, being the great crew they are, going to put it back together and try to pick up a few spots.
All right, go get them.
Well, you hate to say this, but Kevin didn't say it, but I brought the steering wheel back. If you can't win, you got to bring the steering wheel back. But darn, it's such a good truck. All these guys. First of all, I got to thank the safety workers and all the guys who build my truck at KHI. This is unbelievable. I don't even know who clipped me, but Talladega, I mean, coming in the pits, I braked pretty hard, and Todd got in the back of me, and it probably ruined both of our days. But didn't know which lane to go to. You know, it's just if Todd was up there, we got to the outside, and he couldn't push me anymore because of his front fender or whatever. But pretty cool to come here and led a lot of laps and learned a bunch. Too bad we ruined a good truck. I got to thank Kevin Delaney again, RCR. Easy go. We're going to get easy go a win yet before the end of the year.
We're just glad you're okay. Thanks, Ron.